Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to copy a channel link on WhatsApp. Whether you want to share your favorite channel with friends or promote your own, this updated method will help you do it in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app since channel features update regularly. Once you're on the home screen, go to the Updates tab. That's where all your channels are located. From here, scroll through your list and tap on the channel you want to share. When you're inside the channel, look at the top of your screen and tap on the channel name. This will open the channel details page. Here, you can see information about the channel, such as its description, followers, and creation date. This page is where the magic happens. Now, scroll down a little until you find the section labeled Channel Link. This is the direct link that anyone can use to view and join the channel on WhatsApp. All you need to do is tap on Channel Link. Once you do that, a few options will appear. Among those options, you'll see Copy Link. Simply tap it, and WhatsApp will instantly copy the channel's invite link to your device's clipboard. You won't see a big notification, but the link is now ready to be pasted anywhere in a message, a post, or even your bio. To confirm it worked, you can open any chat or notes app, tap and hold the typing area, then select Paste. You should see your channel link appear right there, ready to share with anyone you choose. And that's it, you've successfully copied a WhatsApp channel link. It's quick, easy, and useful for growing your audience or keeping your friends connected to your content. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it too. And stay tuned for more simple WhatsApp tips and updates.